this video, we are going to be demonstrating the proper technique for entering resident information into the GT-NS digital scroll module via the entry panel keypad. This process can be done with any digital entry panel, audio or audio-video, that contains a GT-NS module. If your location requires the use of alphanumeric room numbers, you will need to use the PC programming method instead of this manual method. Please refer to the GT installation manual for directions. After the proper installation of the system, you will need to power up the equipment by plugging in the PS2420 UL power supplies and turning on the GT-BC, your audio bus controller, and if you have a video system, the GT-VBC, your video bus controller. We will need to enter the resident information into the digital scroll module, the GT-NS, to create virtual buttons that can then be programmed to call tenants. In this demonstration, we will be using the default ID code of 1111 to access the unit. To properly secure your building, please change the ID code from the default code to your own personal code. To log into the digital scroll using the GT10K keypad, enter #*1111. The GT-NS module will respond with Re-enter ID. Press *1111. Use the down arrow to scroll down until you see resident info displayed on the screen. Press the green bell button to accept and enter this menu. The GT-NS display should now say room number. Enter the first numeric room number, for example 101, and then press the bell button to accept. The display will now show room number 101 on the top line, and the cursor will be on the second line. Use the number pad to enter the first letter of the tenant name. Use the up and down keys to move to the next cursor position and enter the next letter in the name. When all the characters have been entered, press the bell button to accept this entry. Enter the next room number, followed by the green bell button to accept. Then, the next tenant's name. Followed by the green bell button to accept. Repeat this process until you've created a virtual button for each tenant. After the last tenant button has been created, press the red X button to exit the resident info screen and get back to the main menu. Then, using the down arrow, scroll down until you see Quit and press the red X again. Now that we're back in standby mode, let's use the down arrow to verify the virtual buttons have been created. Press the down arrow once and we'll see Smith. Press the down arrow again and we should see Jones. Everything here looks correct, and you're now ready to program these virtual buttons to call tenant stations. Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact AFone.